From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Monday, State College. Hope you enjoyed this weekend. A little wet on Saturday, but at least it didn't rain during the football game, and temperatures sure did take a tumble yesterday as well. In fact, this morning it was a little chilly. I had to walk it this morning. It was a little chilly. I had to wear a sweatshirt and sweatpants out. First time in quite a while. Temperatures were in the low 40s this morning, almost in the 30s. In fact, right now over the Arboretum, nice clear blue skies out there, which will help to warm things up a bit now that Mr. Sun is out. Temperature is still sitting at 41 degrees, but with Mr. Sun being out, that temperature will surely climb up fast in no time at all. Expecting highs in the mid-70s today. Satellite radar across the Commonwealth, nothing to be seen at all. Clear blue skies throughout the area. Temperatures though are a little bit cool, but they are expected to warm up a little bit. In fact, yesterday we were seeing temperatures in the mid-60s, but as we played throughout overnight, temperature sure did cool down quite a bit. In fact, you can see that cooler air making its way in from the north over the region, and 47 in Buffalo, 51 in Chicago. But if you move farther west, you can see temperatures already pretty warmer, 46 up in the Dakotas. So warmer air is off to the west, but we are still stuck in this cooler weather pattern. In fact, as we go throughout the next few hours, you can see temperatures slowly warming up, topping around in the mid-60s by about 1 p.m. And then shortly after that, we'll see temperatures in the mid-70s by about 4 o'clock this afternoon, especially with that sun out helping to heat the ground. Future weather across the lower 48, you can see that we have an area of high pressure across the northeast, which is keeping most of us dry across the region. Few clouds out there towards the west, but most of us here in Pennsylvania will stay mostly dry. Few clouds down towards the south, which we might have to watch out for later on Tuesday and Thursday as a weak system moves through, bringing the few clouds towards the southeastern portion of the state. But as we go into Wednesday, again, no issues in terms of rain, though we do need that rain because we are starting to see a bit of drought development. As we go later in the week, no rain to be seen at all either. A few clouds moving in by about Friday, but no rain to be expected as we move farther into the weekend. Again, we're going to be a better weekend, not seeing too much rain at all. Maybe seeing a system developing by about next week, but we'll have to watch and see how that develops. So for today, we're topping it off at 71 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Might even be a little bit warmer if the sun stays out a little bit longer too. But again, 71 degrees, a little bit below average for this time of year. For tonight, we'll be about where we were this morning, sitting at a temperature of 43 degrees with mostly clear skies, maybe a few clouds as well with a little bit of a breeze, but otherwise not too bad of a night. Don't forget those sweatshirts though if you are going out tonight or early tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow we'll warm things up a little bit more with a high of 74 degrees. Mr. Sun stays out there as well. And in fact, on that 7-day forecast, you can see Mr. Sun is out for today, tomorrow, and then we'll see a few clouds on Wednesday, but then he comes back out on Thursday and Friday. Temperatures reaching around average, in fact climbing a little bit above average. We're possibly seeing some 80s on Sunday.